Good morning, investors and traders. My name is Naeem Aslam. I'm live from London. In today's analysis, what we'll be looking at the major fundamentals which are really supporting the market, and that is one of the reasons that the US futures and European futures are really moving higher. We will look at different opportunities within them, and secondly, we'll also look at the forex market as well, where that trend is really going. And finally, we'll have a look at Bitcoin and gold prices. My name is Naeem Aslam. I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon and in equity trading for Bank of America. Currently, I work as a chief market analyst for Evertrade. Now, with respect to the markets, first of all, the Dow Jones futures are trading higher by nearly 300 points. And of course, the momentum is also positive for the S&P 500 futures as well. Now, in terms of an opportunity, the S&P 500 futures are approaching towards their all-time high, something that we've experienced 3 weeks ago. So again, first trade is that you can either look for a sell-off as the price comes to as the S&P 500 approaches its all-time high. The second trade is if it breaks above that, then take the breakout trade, meaning the moment the price crosses above the all-time high, that is your new high, and that is your entry point with respect to the S&P 500 index as well. For the Dow Jones, of course, we are also moving towards all-time high. Very possible that this particular week we will see a new record high for the Dow Jones as well. Reason for all of this momentum and all of this optimism is because investors are very much betting on this particular this particular bet, that they are thinking that the global economy is going to see fast recovery, and we will continue to move towards the normal level of price, normal life routines that we used to have because of the coronavirus vaccine. Because remember, yesterday, Moderna did file for its FDA approval as well, which is due within the next 2 weeks. So that means the vaccine will be here, and then we could see some economic activity resuming at a much faster pace. As for the forex market, RBA kept the interest rate same, not much move there, but the momentum for Aussie dollar is still very much strong. It is moving higher against the dollar, so that trend is going to continue. As for commodities, folks, oil prices are recovering today from the sell-off yesterday because OPEC obviously delayed its meeting until Thursday. The momentum among the committee members is that there could be a delay or extension of the current curtail of supply. Basically, they will extending the supply for another 3 months, rolling out the contracts, the current, and that should be positive for oil prices, meaning we could see momentum to the upside. And of course, for energy stocks as well, such as BP, Chevron, Shell, Exxon, they can all see an upside on the back of that. Yesterday, we did see massive pullback for BP and Chevron. Both were down well over 5%. For Bitcoin prices, we made all-time high yesterday, something that we've discussed previously in our videos, because the Black Friday sale is over. So that means new highs were, and that is what Bitcoin recorded yesterday. And now the next upside is 20,000. The moment the Bitcoin price takes the 20,000 price level, the next price level we'll be looking at would be 50,000. Finally, and very briefly, gold prices are looking enormously bullish today because they have crossed above the 50-day simple moving average on a 30-minute time frame, and more importantly, the prices are also near their 50-week moving average on the weekly time frame as well. That's all for today, folks, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.